Welcome to your SkyPlug Retrofit Kit unboxing. The SkyPlug Retrofit Kit includes the following: an instruction manual, a decorative canopy in the finish that you have selected, the SkyPlug, the SkyOutlet with a cover plate, along with a cover plate cap to close up the receptacle when not in use, jumper leads in case you have multiple wires of the same color in the outlet box, mounting hardware that includes finials and adapters for connecting the SkyPlug canopy to your specific hanging light fixture, whether cord, rod, or chain.